Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to install a MySQL database on Docker. Then we will make our first connection to the database we just set up. Let's get started. First, open Docker Desktop. If you don't have Docker Desktop installed in your computer yet, check out the video linked below. Open a new terminal from the bottom right corner. You can copy the command from the description and paste it here. Let me quickly explain what this command does. My-mysql is the name of the container. You can change it to anything you like. You'll need to choose a password for yourself. I'm using password 1 for this example. You can keep the directory as it is. Basically, we use this directory to store the database files. MySQL latest means we are using the latest version of the MySQL, but if you need a specific version, you can change it here. You can also specify the character set and collation as I've done here. If you want to learn more about the MySQL Docker container, you can visit this website linked in the description. Once everything looks good, press Enter. As you can see, our container and the database inside it are ready to use. Now it's time to make our first connection to this database. I'm going to use DBeaver to connect. Go ahead and open DBeaver. If you would like to learn how to install DBeaver, you can check out the video linked below. Click New Database Connection in the top left corner. Choose MySQL from the list. Enter the password we defined earlier creating the container. Click the Test Connection button to check if everything is working. If this is your first time connecting to MySQL from DBeaver, you'll need to install the required drivers. Just click Download when prompted. You might encounter an error like I did. To solve this, you can add the allowPublicKeyRetrieval parameter to the URL just like I did. Test the connection again. You should see a connection successful message. Now click Finish. Now take a look at the databases. You can create a new one by right-clicking and selecting Create New Database. Enter a name of your choice, then click OK. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.